Hi everyone, we're doing a little sit down video today, which I love. I love these types of videos because it just feels very cozy, very personal. I'm just talking straight to the camera. And we have a very exciting video today because I'm partnering up with Linjer Jewelry to do an unboxing haul and a little review of the jewelry pieces that I received. So I'm super excited. Before we get into it, I just want to say I do have a unique discount code for you guys to use to get a special offer. I'll have it here on screen. It's just my name, as well as in the description with a link so you can start browsing the products and getting the beautiful jewelry for yourselves. So I do want to talk a little bit about the brand itself, but before we get in, I just want to show you the packaging that it came in. It's this beautiful box with some navy bows. I'm biased because blue is my favorite color, but I'm loving the navy that it's showing right here. Before we get into it, I do want to talk a bit about the brand itself because I'm very excited to partner with them. Their core value is about sustainability. So they use recycled materials for all of their jewelry where possible. They use fine materials that last. That's where the quality comes in because we do want lasting pieces for the environment. They also use lab-grown diamonds for their diamond pieces. I didn't get any today, but if you are interested in diamonds, they do use lab grown and they offset their carbon emissions with every shipment. So we love a company that cares for the environment, and we'll talk a little bit more about that once I unbox the jewelry and talk about the material that are used for the pieces that I received. So let's get into the actual unboxing. I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer so that you can actually see me unboxing the pieces, and it's going to be super fun and just very relaxing. So get a drink and let's get started. Okay, so I brought you guys in very close because I want to do the unboxing up close, and I'll make sure that the focus is on the boxes themselves, okay? This is so intimate. I love it. Let's do a little unboxing. I feel like I'm on a FaceTime call with you guys. Again, it comes in this beautiful packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging, okay? So as soon as something comes in Q packaging, I know that they care for their customers and they're looking out for the customers because this screams luxury to me. I'm unboxing it and it comes in a felt little pouch with the Linjer logo right on it. Gorgeous. It's in this gold color and the jewelry pieces are found inside. So let's pull out the first piece. So I basically got 3 rings and 1 pair of earrings. This is the first ring. We have the Ariel ring, Ariel dome ring. All of the packaging, it says that it is eco-friendly, 100% landfill safe, and environmentally degradable. So we love, that's gorgeous. And then in every packaging, there is a little care guide, as well as the warranty, which says that you have a guarantee for 2 years, unless it's like general wear and tear. It also has a bit about the sustainability as well as information about the materials that they use. In the inside packaging, it does say just for you, designed for thoughtful individuals, people who curate their lives and objects they own. Our timeless jewelry is made with sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing practices. Yours to love for years to come, the Linjer team. And then straight in the middle of the box, it just says the finer things in life every day. I love that. This just screams luxury and I'm digging it so much. So let's go ahead and unbox the rest of it. Here's the next piece. I low-key want to keep the boxes. I'm going to repurpose them because they're so gorgeous. Okay, so the next piece is the earrings, and we have the Hele braided hoops. Earrings are gorgeous. I'm going to put them on a little bit later and zoom you guys in. They're so gorgeous. I don't know if you can even see it with my nails. So sorry about that. Honestly, just opening up the boxes with a ribbon, like I said before, it feels very luxurious. I feel like I'm getting spoiled just with everything that I'm getting. So I'm very thankful for this partnership. So I just want to say again, thank you so much to the Linjer team. So the next ring is the Idalia stacking ring. And it basically has this like double stacked ring design. We have the Dagmar twist ring. And this is also a very gorgeous stacking ring. I think I'm actually going to put it first under the previous ring. That is gorgeous. Look at this ring stack. We love a ring stack in this household. Just to finish up the stuff in the box, so it does come with this little card with a note from the co-founders and the designers. And then it does come with a pouch if you want to keep your jewelry in so that I guess it's like a dust bag so that it doesn't get dusty or ruined. All right, so I'm going to zoom you guys out and then we're going to talk a little bit about the quality that I'm feeling and also the actual materials that the jewelry pieces are made with. I first want to start off with the earrings. They're very lightweight. They're very minimal and I think the perfect size for like an everyday wear. What I really love about it is the lightweightness. So especially when I'm wearing heavy earrings, all I'm thinking the entire time, I could be the only one, but all I'm thinking is, wow, my earlobes are going to start drooping when I'm older. So I'm thinking about the long-term effects. We want something very lightweight, and the material itself looks very chic. So the fact that it's lightweight, it looks like this, it just looks like a quality piece. However, one thing I do want to say is the actual lock in place in the back is a very sturdy design. So I feel like it won't move. It won't just randomly fall off. It feels very secure in my ear. So I really like it. And again, perfect size for everyday wear. Moving on to the rings, I think they are the perfect stacking rings. Again, very lightweight. They come in designs that are very interesting, but also still minimal and simple so that you can easily pair them with any other stack. I think the look of the gold looks very expensive, and even though they are simple rings, by stacking them, I think it gives a very luxurious look and elevated look to anything that you pair it with. So I'm really digging that. And I don't know, they just look really cute. So let's get into the material that it's made with. So I got all the pieces in gold vermeil, and the way that they make it is they start with a sterling silver base and then they coat it with a layer of 22 karat gold. And what this does is it makes it 5 times thicker than any other gold plated jewelry that you'll find at other brands. So that's going to make it last longer, and it just ensures that you're getting quality pieces that will last for a very long time. And especially in the world that we're living in right now, we're talking a lot about fast fashion, and a lot of the clothes, shoes, accessories, everything that we're wearing, a lot of it has a very short product life cycle. And with that, we're getting a lot of people throwing out their pieces or hopefully donating your pieces and kind of allowing people to reuse it. But these pieces, they're made to last. And with that, you're not going to have to throw them out and get new pieces in a few months. They're going to last. They're going to be pieces that you wear for a very long time. And that's what we want, because it's better for the environment and it's better for you. The pieces that you're getting, because they're very quality, the price is very affordable for what you're getting. So I'm really happy about that. Jewelry is kind of an item that people think is something to splurge on. And with the affordability of these pieces, I think it's something that you can splurge on very easily. And it's just, you saw how happy I was to unbox these things. It feels luxurious and it feels like you're getting to treat yourself, and it made me so happy. So I think this is something that's perfect for gifting purposes, or even something that's going to be to treat yourself. All right, and with that, I think that comes to the end of the video. My final thoughts are these pieces are 100% worth it. The quality feels really great. They look amazing. And again, it's just a fun and beautiful gift idea for yourself, for others, for your loved ones. I really highly recommend. If you do want to purchase the pieces, I will have my code again here, just as a reminder. It is also linked in the description down below, so you can just start shopping right away. So happy shopping, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you again to the Linjer team. Bye.